You're listening to Mr. English Podcast by Mr. English Podcast.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Grammar in Real Conversation, an English learning series from Mr. English Podcast.
Hi, everyone. In this series, we help you understand English grammar through natural conversation, simple explanations, and real-life examples.
In today's episode, we're talking about another grammar topic that many learners mix up.
Yes, present simple and present continuous.
These two tenses look easy at first, but in real conversation, they can be confusing.
So first, we'll give you a natural conversation. Then we'll explain the grammar step by step. And after that, we'll do another short conversation so you can hear it more clearly in context.
Let's begin.
John, what do you usually do in the morning?
I usually wake up at around 6:30, make coffee, and check my phone.
That sounds familiar. I usually start my day with tea, not coffee.
Really? Are you drinking tea right now?
Yes, I am. I'm actually drinking green tea today.
Nice. I'm drinking coffee, as always.
Do you always work from home?
Usually, yes. I work from home most days.
And what are you working on these days?
I'm preparing new lessons for the podcast this week.
That makes sense. You seem busy.
I am a little busy, yes. What about you? Do you exercise every day?
Not every day, but I go for a walk most mornings.
That's good. Are you doing anything special this week?
Yes, I am. I'm trying to build a healthier routine.
That sounds like a great idea.
Okay, now let's talk about the grammar.
Good idea.
First, let's look at this sentence. I usually wake up at around 6:30.
This is present simple.
Right. We use present simple for routines, habits, and things that happen regularly.
So when I say, I usually wake up at 6:30, I'm talking about my normal routine.
Exactly. Here's another example. I work from home most days.
Again, that's present simple because it describes something regular in my life.
Now, let's look at this question. Are you drinking tea right now?
This is present continuous.
Right. We use present continuous for something happening now, at this moment.
So when you say, yes, I am, I'm drinking green tea today, you're talking about an action happening right now.
Exactly. And we also heard, I'm preparing new lessons for the podcast this week.
That's also present continuous, but it's not only about this exact second.
Right. It can also describe a temporary action around now, something happening these days or this week.
So here is the main difference.
Present simple is usually for habits, routines, and general facts.
And present continuous is for actions happening now or temporary situations around now.
Let's look at a few examples.
I drink coffee every morning.
This is present simple because it's a habit.
I'm drinking coffee right now.
This is present continuous because it's happening at this moment.
Here's another one. She works in a bank.
That tells us a general fact about her job, so it's present simple.
She's working from home this week.
That's present continuous because it's temporary.
So words like usually, always, every day, and most mornings often go with present simple.
And words like right now, at the moment, today, and this week often go with present continuous.
Let's make it even easier. Present simple. routine or general truth. Present continuous, happening now or temporary.
Present simple. I read before bed. Present continuous. I'm reading a new book this week. Great! Now, let's hear another short conversation.
Jessica, do you normally cook at home?
Yes, I do. I usually cook dinner in the evening.
What are you cooking tonight?
I'm making some pasta.
Nice. Do you often try new recipes?
Sometimes I do, but not very often.
Are you following a recipe right now?
Yes, I am. I'm using one I found online this morning.
That sounds fun.
It is, but I hope it tastes good.
Let's review the key idea one more time.
We use present simple for routines, habits, and things that are generally true.
And we use present continuous for actions happening now or for temporary situations around now.
So when you hear a sentence, ask yourself,
Is this a regular habit?
or is it happening now or just for a short time?
That question will help you choose the right tense.
Thanks for listening to Grammar in Real Conversation.
We hope this episode helped you understand present simple and present continuous more clearly.
See you in episode 3.